This Kids Connection digital exclusive is brought to you by ACES, transforming lives through education.
NBC and Telemundo Connecticut present Snow Monsters Classroom, featuring First Alert meteorologist Ryan Hanrahan and Snow Monsters sidekick Fria. Here's what we're learning about in today's lesson.
Ow! Hey, Fria, you're lucky I like the snow.
I do too, Mr. Ryan, but boy, is it cold out today.
Of course it is. If it wasn't cold, we wouldn't have any snow.
But does it have to be this cold? My fur is starting to freeze.
It sure does, but do you know why it gets this cold?
Snow Monster says it's because the Earth is tilted away from the sun during the winter.
And Snow Monster's right. Because the Earth is tilted, the warm rays from the sun can't reach us as much as they do in the spring, summer, and fall. But do you want to know something else?
What's that?
The Earth is actually closer to the sun during the winter.
What? No way! That's incredible! So the Earth is closer to the sun, but it's still cold?
Pretty cool, right?
It sure is, and I'm so glad it's cold so that we have snow to play in. Winters without snow are just no fun at all. What's happening, Mr. Ryan? The snow is flying everywhere. I can hardly see.
This isn't good, Fria. It looks like a blizzard.
What's that, Mr. Ryan?
A blizzard is a really powerful winter storm. And believe it or not, it doesn't have to be snowing.
What do you mean?
It's the wind, Fria, the wind. When it gusts this hard, you can barely see in front of your face. That's when you know it's a blizzard.
But Mr. Ryan, what should we do?
We've got to get inside, now!
Wow, I can't believe we got caught in a blizzard.
I know, blizzards may seem like fun, but that wind can be really, really intense. You definitely don't want to get stuck outside in the cold.
You don't have to worry about me, Mr. Ryan. I don't ever want to get caught in a blizzard again.
But it looks like the storm has passed. So what do you want to do now?
Well, there's only one thing to do. Let's get Snow Monster and build a snowman. Now that we know all about winter, we have a question for you.
That's right. Let's see just how much you've learned. During winter in Connecticut, is the Earth tilted toward or away from the sun?
I know, Mr. Ryan. The Earth is tilted away from the sun. That's why it's so cold.
That's right, Fria. Good job.
This Kids Connection digital exclusive is brought to you by ACES, transforming lives through education.